Hey guys, this first song is called The Rain. I wrote it sitting at a stop sign, a stoplight actually. I saw this guy in front of me that was driving this really old, like 1985 Dodge. He was kind of chilling, just had his cigarette out in the corner, out of the window or whatever. And I just kind of started to think about, you know, the stories that he had to tell about the world and everything that's happened in his lifetime. So that is what this song is about. Came before a million will go behind your place tonight. The stories you can tell of a world that ain't yours and ain't mine, these eyes don't lie. And I'm starting to think this world will just get cold. Try to sing it all away. Take your big songs, but don't forget a healthy dose of pain. 'Cause life is too short to never feel any rain. Smoke your cigarette while I search for what you've been through. Tired and true, I got mine in my hands for the people that you once knew, now black and blue. I'm starting to think this world will just get cold. Try to sing it all away. Shoot our eyes from the stairs. So take your great songs, but don't forget a healthy dose of pain. 'Cause life is too short to never feel any rain. Maybe one day when we've tried it all, we'll stand tall, stand tall. But I believe that in the end we'll all fall. I'm starting to think this world will just get colder. We try to sing it all away. Shut our eyes from the stage. So take your big songs, but don't forget a healthy dose of pain. 'Cause life is too short to never feel any rain. Rain, rain. No good, everyone. Sing it all away. Your eyes from the stairs. So take your favorite songs, but don't forget a healthy dose of pain. 'Cause life is too short to never feel